Hello friends, myself Mohit and I am going to dictate you Steno Legal Matter. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more dictations. So be ready for the dictation. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start.
Under the judgment dated 28/11/2016, Annexer P1 on evaluation of evidence, the learned judge concluded that the prosecution had failed to establish the primary ingredient of the charge, that the cow progeny was being transported for the purpose of its slaughter, and as such no offence was made out under the 2004 Act. Stop. Thus, the aforequoted question number 1 as formulated by the court was specifically held to be not proved. Stop. All four accused were accordingly acquitted of charges under the 1960 Act and also the charges under Section 4 read with Section 9 of the 2004 Act. Stop. The appellant, who was additionally charged under different sections of the Motor Vehicles Act, was also acquitted of those charges. Stop. Subsequently, however, the district magistrate ordered confiscation of the appellant's truck for violation of Section 6 of the 2004 Act, despite being apprised of the acquittal of the accused persons by the trial court. Stop. In the acquittal order, it was pertinently recorded that the prosecution witnesses, including the investigating officer I.O. and the main witnesses on involvement of the accused with the act of intended slaughtering of cattle. Stop. The veterinary doctor PW4 commented tellingly that the animals were healthy and fit for agricultural purpose. Stop. The trial court also observed that the prosecution's case of proposed slaughter was not at all supported by the medical evidence on record. Stop. Assailing the order of confiscation of the truck and the consequential rejection of the challenge to the district magistrate's order, the learned counsel for the appellant, Mr. Pulkit Tare, makes his submissions. Stop. He contends that confiscation of the vehicle is wholly unjustified when all four accused were acquitted of the criminal charges in the related proceedings. Stop. The appellant's counsel refers to the decision of the coordinate bench of the Madhya Pradesh High Court in wherein, in circumstances of confiscation of a vehicle under the relevant provisions of the 2004 Act, the court interpreted various provisions of the Act to hold that unless the criminal offence is committed, seizure of the vehicle which was involved in the incident would be unwarranted. Stop. On the other hand, learned counsel appearing for the state of Madhya Pradesh refers to various judgments to contend that proceedings towards confiscation of the offending vehicle and also criminal prosecution against the accused are parallelly maintainable. Stop. The State's Counsel then refers to Section 13A of the 2004 Act to point out that the burden of proof is on the accused when he is being prosecuted under the Act. Stop. The High Court upheld the order of confiscation by the district magistrate with the observation that separate proceedings before two forums, one for prosecution of the accused charged with the offence and the other for confiscation of the vehicle's equipment used for the commission of the offence, are legally maintainable. Stop. According to the High Court, the jurisdiction under Section 482 of the Code of Criminal Procedure for quashing of the confiscation proceedings initiated under the 2004 Act is not available to the court. Stop.